Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on this look right here. Created using the Ace Beaute Oceanic palette. Now this is my second look using this beautiful palette. These blues and greens and teal shades. Oh, gorgeous. And actually the first time I used this palette I did a green look. And I kind of sort of did another green look, but I promise I'm gonna get to these blue shades. This is kind of like a green tealy look. It is officially fall according to the calendar anyway. No one informed Mother Nature though, but it's officially fall. I got the dark background out. Not sure how long I'm going to keep it. And I decided to do a dark smoky eye. It just screams fall makeup to me. So here we are. If you'd like to see how I created this autumn inspired look today, then keep on watching. Starting off today's look with the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to blend that out with my Sigma E55 shader brush, and I used way too much. Now I'm going to take the NYX Blame It On Midnight eyeshadow. It's a matte eyeshadow that's virtually my skin tone. And I'm just going to set that concealer and use this as my underbrow highlight. And I'm only going to take it from the brow to the crease. I'm not going to put it on my lid. Now I'm going to go into the Ace Beaute Oceanic palette and I'm taking Seaweed. And this is a Sonia Kashuk. I think it's a Builder Pro brush. And I'm going to put that in my crease using back and forth motions and little circular motions when I get to the outer V area. And I went back into the palette several times just to build up this color and make sure it's totally saturated there in the crease. I really do like this grungy, dirty, algae, seaweed green color. I'm going to go back into the palette and now I'm going to take Pacific, and that is this really deep dark teal green, and I'm going to place that all over my lid using this Sephora shader brush. And I'm going to go back into the palette a few different times to build it up to the intensity and the pigmentation that I like. But as you can see, this shadow is very pigmented, and look at that, already covered the lid. But like I said, I went in a few more times just to make sure I packed it all over the lid. Now I'm going to take that same shade and a Wayne Goss brush, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease. So I used a more flat shader brush to pack it all over the mobile eyelid, and now I'm taking a small fluffy brush to put it into the crease, and then back in with the packing brush to pack on more eyeshadow. I really wanted this to be very opaque, very dark, very deep, very smoky. And as you can see there in the crease where I blended in that skin tone shade, that Blame It On Midnight NYX shade, with that Pacific shade, you can see how it's light, a little lighter there, high in the crease than it is in the crease and on the lid. So that created sort of a little gradient for you, and you only needed to use those two shadows to do that. And now I'm just blending out the edges with that same brush that I used with the NYX eyeshadow. And now I'm just cleaning up under the eye. I didn't have a lot of mess under there. And of course, shape the outer V area there, the corners of the eye, with that same wipe right there. And now I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the shade Mainline. I picked this up during the Ultra 21 Days of Beauty sale, $11. I love this color and it went perfectly with this look. These eye pencils are, I know I've said this before, they are my absolute favorite to put in my waterline, and this color is so awesome. And now I'm just taking Pacific and Makeup Geek pencil brush, and I'm going to blend that onto the lower lash line. I'm going to put it on top of that pencil because I did bring the pencil down a little bit onto the lower lash line. And now I'm going to place that Pacific shade on top of it. And now I'm taking Jellyfish and a Delium Tools pencil brush. Look how pointy that pencil brush is. I love it. And I'm using this shade Dry. And look how beautiful that metallic shimmer is. This is a beautiful color. It's like a green, yellow, lime green. Really, really pretty. And I use this as my inner corner highlight. And for the finished look, I used some Kiss lashes. I don't remember what these are. I think they're Bustier. And no wing. I just tight line with black eyeliner pencil. And a dramatic, smoky, but simple look. Now, if you don't have the Ace Beaute Oceanic palette, you could create a similar look, I think, using the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place. Now, it's not going to be an exact duplication. It's going to be more like an inspired look rather than, you know, looking just like this, because this is their green palette, and so your look is definitely going to come out more green. I had initially planned on using this palette to create this look, but you could certainly use this green shade right here at the bottom. Again, it's going to be more green than teal, or you could use this beautiful, gorgeous shade right there. That's Cuba. I don't have my Cuba. It's a shimmer shade, but beautiful in a similar vein of this look. And then you could use this shade right here, this Ashanti, which is like this dirty mustard brown. You could put that in the crease. And then of course you could use this beautiful shade here, Coral, which is like this yellow champagne shimmer with a green shift. Gorgeous. So if you don't have the Ace Beaute palette and you wanted to do something similar to this, you could use the Juvia's Place Tribe palette. Let me know in the comments below, are you looking forward to doing some more autumn, fall look, some dark, smoky eyes? Do you have any palettes you've already picked out that these are my autumn, fall palettes? Let me know what those are. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do tutorials along with makeup hauls, swatches, and reviews here on my channel every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.